Stop recording. Okay, good. Welcome back, everyone. Fox Adventures here. As you can see, I've got a coat on. It's raining. Let's go. Probably shouldn't have picked tennis shoes to wear for this adventure, but oh well. It is what it is. Okay, that's a lot of wood. Actually, these shoes aren't too bad. I'm not getting wet socks yet. Nice little day here. I mean, it looks pretty nice out, but it's kind of wet. So, as you can see, it's kind of wet. Obviously, so my shoes are already wet. So how's everyone's Thursday going? I hope it's going well, or whatever day you're watching this video on. Hope it's going well. Don't mind the hiccups, I just ate full supper. So we are back exploring. Some evergreens. She probably already knew. This is relaxing. Talking to myself. I'm totally not going insane. All the white there, that's all dead dandelions. So fun. Excuse me for not speaking correctly. A bunch of saliva in my mouth. No. Thought I heard rushing water. Apparently not. Okay, now my socks are getting wet. Yeah, I don't like it. Don't like it because it's not the front. It's like right there that's getting wet. My socks are. Ah well, they're socks. They'll dry. Oh boy, I get to go through the mud. Let's do this. Don't know why I said it with an accent, but you know, let's do this. I mean, these are old shoes, so I don't really care about them too much. It's not really mud. It's more of like freaking dirt still. It's just not too much water coming out. A lot of water there still. Until it's raining. So, yeah. Okay, so we're back into some really tall grass, and my shoes are almost completely soaked. Ooh, I just felt some water. Ooh, that's cold. Ooh, that's cold. No. So let's continue. Oh, my shoes are getting soaked right now. Oh, my feet are getting cold. Almost tickles. Oh, god dang. Gosh dang, boys. My shoes are completely soaked right now. Oh gosh, my socks are soaked. Like, no joke, my shoes are soaked. Let's continue going. No. Let's get through this stuff together.